Do you want to look awful in your clothes 100% of the time? Just follow these steps. Size up for that relaxed fit and end up drowning in fabric. Size down for that tailored look and end up cutting your blood circulation. And never ever look at size charts. Ta-da! So now, if you're ready to stop sabotaging your style, stick around because in this video, I'll show you how to get your sizing right and make your wardrobe actually work for you. Alright, so let's start with why sizing is such a game changer. Well, for one, it's the fit. A well-fitting garment enhances your body shape regardless of the silhouette you're going for. Relaxed, fitted, or oversized, it all looks better when it actually fits the way it's meant to. Then we've got comfort. If your clothes don't feel good, they won't look good. You've definitely seen a guy whose shirt collar is practically choking him. It's not just uncomfortable, it's distracting as well. Then we've got style. Wearing a size extra large when you're normally a medium to get that oversized vibe is definitely not the move. Going for a relaxed silhouette requires thoughtful sizing, not just sizing up. And of course, we've got longevity. Clothes that are too tight can stretch and damage over time, especially with natural fabrics like cotton or wool. And last but most definitely not least is confidence. And this one is big. When your clothes fit right, you feel right as well. I don't know about you, but personally, confidence is one of the main reasons why I try to dress better in the first place. Now, what other reasons are there for people to want to dress better? Leave a comment down if you think of anything. Now, one of the biggest secrets to getting sizing right is tailoring. And before you rush off and click away because tailored clothes are too expensive, give me a chance to explain. What I really mean is the post-purchase alteration of clothes to your local tailor. It's the not-so-secret weapon of the fashion world. Think about it. Off-the-rack clothing is designed to fit as many people as possible. And let's face it, you're not many people, you're you. But why does tailoring matter? Well, let's take bottoms for example. If your waist and glutes don't fit any standard sizing, like myself, a tailor can transform those jeans or trousers into something bespoke, but what can you actually bring to the tailor? It's true that tops are a bit more difficult, however, I do have a solution that I'll cover in a bit. So in this case, pants and trousers are the most common. Taken in the waistband can cost anything from 10 to 30 euros, dollars or pounds, depending on where you are, and does wonders to the garment. Now, it's all good and well when you can bring all your bottoms to the tailor, but what happens when you have a top that doesn't quite fit? It is true that altering a top is a very difficult task, and not many tailors would endeavor to do so. And even if they did, that would set you back quite a few dollars, pounds, or euros, which kind of defeats the purpose. So what do you do then? Well, there's a plethora of clothing brands who have made their entire sole purpose of existence to solve for this problem. Now, let me introduce to some of you who I trust with my perfectly sized tops. First one is Son of a Tailor. This brand specializes in custom t-shirts, and I mean custom. You enter your body measurements into the platform and they create a t-shirt tailored specifically for you. The result is a perfect fit that's way better than any off-the-rack option. And if something is not quite right, their perfect fit guarantee will take care of any issues at no extra cost. Next one is Proper Cloth. Known for their custom dress shirts, Proper Cloth lets you fine-tune every aspect of your fit, from collar size to sleeve length. They even have an advanced fit algorithm that uses your body details to create a shirt that fits just right, no matter the build. Next up, we've got Apposta. If you're after high-quality custom-made Italian dress shirts, Apposta is the brand to watch. They offer a huge range of fabrics and let you personalize fit details down to the smallest measurements. It's like bringing Italian tailoring to your doorstep. And number 4 is Filatori. Filatori focuses on knitwear, offering custom fit sweaters and cardigans that are made to your exact measurements. Their approach blends luxurious fabrics with precise sizing, so you never have to deal with saggy or overly tight knits again. Full disclosure, I haven't tried the latter two brands of the list, but I've heard great things about both of them. So how do I approach sizing? Well, my personal style leans towards a relaxed fit, but this is what I do to make sure that my clothes look intentional and not sloppy. For tops, I prefer shoulder seams that sit slightly off the shoulder for comfort and a wider silhouette. I also tend to go for boxy fits, where the chest and waist measurements are close, giving that clean, structured shape. My bottoms tend to be high-waisted, wide-fit trousers. They help create balanced proportions, especially when paired with tucked-in tops or relaxed outerwear. And of course, I use my local tailors for consistency. They just make sure that my bottoms sit right where I want them, with no gaping at the waist or pulling at the hips. So there you have it. Getting sizing right is about more than just comfort. It's about style, consistency, and longevity. Whether you're into relaxed fits or more snugly fitting pieces or something in between, understanding how sizing should work and when to call your tailor can elevate your wardrobe in ways you didn't think possible. And if you found this helpful, please do subscribe because I have a lot more fashion content coming your way.